If you could answer something to a man who a plan to go kill a man tonight, what you don't tell him to change his mind from taking the next life? What you don't tell him?
I love what David saying. That's what a good meditation. And one love, one heart, everything we right, man. Bless them. Jack Rasta.
Can't bother with that, bro.
What that thing me buy?
Smoke a spliff and everything we good, man. And all the vibes you within yourself, you know. And Jah will give you strength and life that you even overpower that.
Well, kill it right now. See, if you have youth still, first thing first, you have to think about youth them, you see me? And secondly, a joke thing now. Because right now, if you say you're going to take a man life, I just say, you set up yourself. More people are come for you. Bag of thing are going. I love time now, brother. You see me, I say, a peace time now, you see me? Yeah, man, when I pray them something, man, you see me, I say, life over death, man, you hear that?
Nah, man.
Got to work out something for you. Seek God.
Love your brother just like how you love yourself. Put God in front of everything what you do. And just make God work you out.
But I just tell him, say, do unto others as I like them do to you.
For real.
You see me? You don't know, say.
I tell him, say, for the school and see what God can do to help him. God church and say prayer can help him.
And you can reason with him and change your mind from taking a life. What you don't tell him, say?
Yeah, man, thou shalt not kill. Yeah, and if you know that too, so don't try to take no man life through one little thing and you know, you can sort out better. Yeah, violence and go solve the problem. Kill a man and you see that for run up and down and go and hide or you go and chill or you soon dead. Man, to just live here, man, so they have to just sort it out properly and done, yeah?
I tell him to think twice, man. If you kill him, you go kill yourself.
Nowadays, if a man has a plan to kill the next man, it's like him killing oneself.
Yeah, no matter where you run, go yourself to go kill. And the more you go around people, other people, then go eat you and likes you. Once if they find out, say you do that. Then go say you want to kill them too. Say yourself you not kill.
When you kill yourself, you're not going to get nothing out of it.
Trust me, you go kill yourself. You tell if you love that. Try reason with that virgin. Nobody with the war, man. I say that. God knows.
Yeah, try to set it straight.
Yeah, try reason with that virgin. Nobody with the war.
So, like what you say, what you want to kill a man?
Street view.
Kill a man.
Nah, man to live, man.
Yeah, man, I had an idea, man, to go through.
I see it and destroy, you know.
Uh-huh.
And Jack create. Anything I destroy, I see it done.
Life is abundant, you know? Straight.
What a good meditation, what a good vibe within yourself. And also you'll give your next one a little chance, because your man deserves a chance, you see me?
Don't worry about that.
I can't give him a blind. I've looked up and upon him and said, all things belong to God.
If you do good, you do it to yourself. And if you do bad, you also do it to yourself. So be careful what you do to others because you're doing it to yourself. And remember, we are all one. Despite the gender or the race and creed, religion, whatever our differences, we are still all one. So that's what I would tell my friends.
One kill one and one go to prison.
And that you don't tell a friend?
Them can't tell them nothing else. My big people, if you know if they want to kill one another.
So you don't feel say your friend who don't listen to you?
They know that now tell them what they want to hear back while before fighting. You go tell one say ease off. You know, go say you have a pussy. If man want war, we can't tap man from war, man. Man want kill man, we can't tap man from kill man.
That's true.
So I just tell them what in their heart, you know. Yeah. Do nothing. One way or the other. Either you go to prison or you're dead.
Big up on yourself, Rosite.
Kill like today, you cannot kill like tomorrow. Murderer! Blood is on your shoulder. That you do.
Alright, come on. Now the realest way, see, show tire.
Alright, man, I really like it. See it.
As you already know, remember, you know, it is only acting.
See it.
Viewers and subscribers, that's it. Remember, you know, like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment right down there, sir.